What inspired me to start the club was my fellow club leaders and the fact that I knew this club, it could really help people and it could help me further my development as a person.
When I returned from the pandemic, I definitely was dealing with a little bit of mental health thing myself, and I just wanted to know that other people could also be together in a club and just learn so much about the importance of mental health and how to improve it.
The club activities we usually do is either circle activities or group discussions. We try to get people involved in what we're talking about and help them kind of like come out their shell a little bit.
I'll say this is a lot for me. I know for many other people, like maintaining a club could be an easy thing, but just maintaining a club like this and continuing this message, this would mean a lot to me, not only now, but in the future too. And hopefully the people that I've shown my message to will continue it on with others.